In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit headers and footers in Microsoft Word. Whether you're looking to personalize your document with a custom header or footer, add important details like page numbers, or even insert logos, this tutorial will guide you step by step. To get started, launch Microsoft Word and open the document you wish to edit. If you haven't yet created your document, now would be a good time to type out your content before focusing on these secondary elements. Once your document is open, we can easily access the header or footer. There are two straightforward ways to do this. The quickest method is simply by double-clicking at the top edge of the page if you're looking to edit the header, or at the bottom for the footer. Alternatively, you can navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Once there, find the header and footer group and click on either header or footer, depending on which one you wish to edit. Following this, select the Edit Header or Edit Footer option from the drop-down menu. Now let's move on to editing the content inside the header or footer. If you need to, you can type text directly into these areas, such as your document title or the author's name. Microsoft Word also makes it easy to enhance these sections by adding additional details. If you need page numbers, head over to the Insert tab and select Page Number. To add the date and time, simply click on the Date and Time option, also under the Insert tab. Should you wish to include images or logos, use the Insert tab once again, selecting pictures. Crafting a professional look with formatted text is straightforward as well. Use the Home tab to adjust the font, change its size, or even alter the color to suit your document style. As you're working within the header or footer, you'll notice a new tab appear, Header and Footer Tools, which further divides into a Design tab. This area provides various customization features. For instance, there are built-in header and footer designs available that you can choose to apply. If your document's first page is a cover page and you don't want it to have a header or footer, select the Different First Page option. For documents planning to be printed like books, the different odd and even pages setting can be quite useful. Adjusting the vertical positioning is also possible through the header from top and footer from bottom options. These allow you to tweak how close to the edges they appear. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, close the header or footer by clicking on Close Header and Footer in the ribbon. Alternatively, a quick double-click anywhere in the main part of your document will also exit this mode, and you can carry on with your primary document body. And there you have it. With these easy steps, your document will have polished and professional headers and footers, making your work all the more appealing.